Alright, I'm Andy. Today we're going to be doing some water fountain reviews. Here's the first one, okay? It's got some push spars. Nice, functional. Front works. It's paint. A little minus on that, but it's fine. See? It's cold. I like that. That's really good during the summer days. Does this work? It does work. Nice, plus 2 points. How about this one? Overall, 9 out of 10.
It's Justin back at it again with water fountain reviews. So we got a little bit of, come in. A little bit does come here, that's minus 2 points. Deduction. Got a dead fly right there, that's minus 5. Operational. No side buttons, minus 2. Nice cold water. Overall, 5 out of 10. Not bad, but not great.
Alright, here our third water fountain. See these buttons? None of them work. They're placebo. These buttons. This one doesn't even work. Scam. This is the only one that works. Automatic, half of the points. Chilled. Not cold, but chilled. And overall, kind of a weird flavor. I think it's assuming because it's right next to the bathrooms, but overall, 4.5 out of 10.
This is Justin back at it again with part 4 of water reviews. Alright, so first off, just looking around at this water fountain, we can see, come in. Oh, paint splash right there. Hopefully it doesn't affect the taste. Not bad, crystal clear water.
This is Andrew.
Both waters taste the same. Overall, 8 out of 10. No side buttons.
Alright, hey guys, water fountain number 6. Wait, number 5 or number 6? I forgot which one. So it's in front of the gym. A lot of sweaty players come to use it. Ooh, suspect crust around the side of the water fountain. I don't know about that. Looks pretty good though. Pretty sanitary otherwise. Alright, let's try it out. Ooh, low water. I don't know about that. There needs to be high pressure for great taste. Other than that, great water fountain. Let's test the lower one. Immaculate. I think overall, 7 out of 10.
Alright, this is review number 6 of our water fountain series. So, side button is operational. And we have a censored activated. Now come in here. This is where big stuff happens. See this? These white splotches? That means this water fountain is a bit sus.
What? White mold. White mold.
Huh?
White mold. That's a problem.
That ain't mold. Wait, are we good? Passes the smell test. Great cold water. Took a minute to heat up though, to get the full coldness of the water that we desired. But now we're gonna try a small one. Same thing as the big one, equal quality. We're gonna go with a 9 out of 10 here. Oh shoot, Chris Lee. Alright, so we actually have a special guest for you guys here on Justin and Andy Water Adventures.
Alright, let's see, this lower water fountain, we've got stains. I don't really know what that is. This one looks slightly better, but this bottom area is a little deformed. Okay.
Non-functional.
It is functional.
It is functional.
There's a small stream coming from the water fountain.
Sir, you're not expecting me to drink
Water is not draining though.
Dude, you have to
water. You
Automatic 0 point.
Okay, we have a working water. It's
Too much pressure. Too much pressure.
It's splashing all over you.
The curvature of the water is
let's-
a bit too...
High.
Let's try to taste this water.
Normally we're looking for a y is equal to negative x squared, but this is actually y is equal to negative 2x squared.
True.
One positive, it's cold.
It's cold.
We take those, right?
We take those.
I'm at to give this 4.5.